Hi, it's me again with Corel Draws Tips and Tricks, and this is the second part of this macro. And a lot of times macros will act different or funny or won't work at all with different fonts, but we just did a macro with this font. I'm going to delete that font. I changed the font to Andy, and let's just go to Contour and double click on it, and it created an outline thicker than the original macro. I've got the original macro, or the original contour, or original text on the bottom, and the new thicker contour macro on the top. And some of you might be going, well, what's the big deal with that? And we'll just do a little sample test here. In case you didn't see the first video, I can't type and write at the same time. And you've got this contour or this text written out. And let's put it back to Andy just so it'll look the same. So to get this thicker macro up here, to do it without the macro, and this is the way I would do stuff, I'm going to get rid of this window. I would left click, right click, so you can actually see your contour. So there's 2 clicks. We're going to go to contour, that's 3, 4. Break contour apart is 5, 6. And then grab your contour and move it out of the way. And then that's 7 or 8 clicks you can do with 1 click of the mouse. So let's delete all this and just do this again. Pick on our macro, go up to Tools, Macro Manager, Run Contour, and there you go. With 2 clicks of the mouse because you had to open Macro Manager. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.